First thing to do, according to the pattern, is making a chain of 28. And now you are going to find the 6th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you are going to make a DC in that stitch. Like that. And because we're going to make a trellis, we start here by chain 1, and then we skip the next stitch and make a DC here. Yes. So the chain here corresponds to the skipped stitch in the bottom. So you do this all the way down. You do chain 1 and you skip 1 stitch here and make a DC in the next. Please continue all the way down. The last one here. And then you end with chain 4 and you put a stitch marker in. I can find one. And this is row 1, and you will have 12 windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 windows, and this little tail. This was row 1 in the relief color, and now I'm going to do row 1 in the background color. This time you also mark the 6th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. Let me do a little like this so that I can remember it. Okay, and now you have to crochet the 2 parts together. So I will take my relief color here, and it is very important that you lie this one this way with the tail up like this. And now you are going to crochet through the window, through the 2nd window, and you will put your chain 26 from the background color here, and you're going to make a DC, so yarn over, and then you are going from the back and into the 2nd window, and then you have to find the marked stitch, put your needle in, put your hook in, like this, and then you will take it with you to the back, and you will finish your DC here. Like that. Okay, so now you have interlinked the 2 parts by making a DC through the 2nd RC window. And now we continue. You also make chain 1 here and you're going to skip a stitch down here, and then you are going through all windows the same way, yarn over through the next window, and then you have to skip one stitch and go into the next one like this, and I take it with me to the back and I finish my DC here like this and like this. Okay, yes, chain 1, yarn over through the next window, pick this one up, skip one stitch, go into the next, bring it back and finish your DC from the back. Yes, and this is done all the way, almost, because the last DC is not made to the back but in the front. So now we're almost by the end. Chain 1, and now the last DC is done in front of the work like this, and then you end by chain 4 and put a stitch marker in like that. Please check that you didn't crochet through the first window or the last window. They're quite open. Any other window in the RC, you went through that window. Okay, so this is row 1 finished and very nice.